A couple who survived deadly Hurricane Dorian in the Bahamas earlier this month is now living in Johnson City.
And their daughter took them in after everything they owned was destroyed in what was at that point a powerful Category 5 hurricane. News Channel 11's Justin Soto found out how they survived the storm and were able to get to the U.S. Justin?
Well, Minnie and Herbert Key were born and raised in Marsh Harbor, Bahamas. Herbert started building this home when he was just 14 years old. It's where they tried to ride out that storm back on September 1st. But as you can see, the roof was eventually blown off.
Wow. Just home.
The Bahamas is home for Herbert and Minnie Key.
My husband, he put up all the shutters. I went to the grocery store to get supplies.
The couple prepared for Hurricane Dorian in Marsh Harbor. Marsh Harbor is on Great Abaco Island, about 100 miles from Bahamas capital, Nassau, and about 200 miles from the Florida coast. Minnie says conditions worsened quickly as Hurricane Dorian crawled overhead on September 1st. She then heard a hissing noise outside.
The roof was just going up and down, giving. He said, go to the front door. And by the time we turned around, the roof just exploded.
That's when they knew they had to get out.
We opened the door and we crawled out because we were scared if we stood up, we would get blown away.
The couple fought wind and rain to reach their truck.
For the next 3 days, in all of that, we had to stay in the truck.
The Keys were eventually able to get to Nassau, then Florida. From there, they traveled to Johnson City, where their daughter Priscilla lives.
I told Daddy that was the day I thought I'd never get back, just to be able to stand there and hug on them and love on them.
Now they're trying to rebuild their lives.
I still think sometimes if I close my eyes and I wake up, it's just a bad dream.
And are grateful for each other.
We are thankful at least that we have life and family, and that's more important than anything else.
Hurricane Dorian has taken at least 50 lives. More than 1,000 people are still missing, with winds up to 185 miles per hour. It's the strongest hurricane on record to hit the Bahamas since records began back in 1851. In the studio, I'm Justin Soto, News Channel 11.